Tests show over 40% of synthetic oils on shelves fail to meet their own protection claims. Yet people still trust the labels blindly. Today I'm showing you 9 best synthetic oils to buy, and 5 that could completely ruin your engine. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal a secret truth. Most mechanics never dare to admit this about synthetic oil. Let's get straight to it. Number 9. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic. Ever pull an oil filter after 5,000 miles and it still looks clean? That clean filter tells you everything important. That's what first caught my eye about Castrol Edge. This stuff doesn't just lubricate your engine, it flat out reinforces the metal surfaces inside, strengthens them like nothing else can. Castrol uses fluid titanium technology. Advanced metallic compounds work inside, and it's not just marketing talk whatsoever. I've torn down engines running this oil for years. The bearings look smooth as glass, no scoring, no baked-on varnish. Under high load, the oil film actually stiffens. This prevents metal-to-metal contact completely. Most oils thin out when heat kicks in. This one holds its ground like nothing else. I've seen it run clean in turbo engines that hit 400 degrees Fahrenheit regularly. Oil analysis showed low iron wear after long intervals. That's genuinely impressive performance. It's not the cheapest on the shelf, but you get what you pay for. Direct injection engines need this protection. If you drive hard in summer heat, this earns its spot. It's strong, reliable, and doesn't shear down. Number 8. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. I've trusted Valvoline longer than some. Mechanics have been alive. Years ago, I ran it in fleet vehicles. Those vehicles saw 300,000 miles. Those engines still had strong compression afterward. Valvoline Advanced isn't just a name on the bottle. It's one of the most balanced oils. Real-world driving demands this balance. Not every engine needs racing oil. Most drivers need something handling stop-and-go traffic. Cold starts and long highway trips demand protection. Valvoline nailed that formula perfectly. It's got anti-wear additives like moly and zinc. Solid detergents keep pistons spotless. I've cracked open valve covers on older engines. You can still read the casting numbers. It doesn't burn off quick like cheaper blends. Consumer Reports testing proved this conclusively. Valvoline held viscosity longer than pricier brands. APIP and Dexos 1 Gen 3. Certifications mean quality. You know it's built right. Number 7. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. This one's genuinely special and different. It's the only oil made from natural gas, not crude oil like most others. They call it Pure Plus technology. That base oil is nearly impurity-free. Engines running this stay spotless, even after 100,000 miles. No sludge, no blackened valve covers anywhere. It handles extreme temperatures remarkably. Hot southern states and freezing Midwest winters. It keeps the same slick consistency. No startup clatter, no lazy oil pressure. Lab testing showed 65% cleaner pistons. Cleaner than standard synthetics. Excellent oxidation resistance protects everything. It doesn't cook into tar under high RPM. Towing loads won't compromise protection. Number 6. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. If there's one oil I've trusted completely, it's Mobil 1 in everything. From old Chevys to modern Turbo 4s. The Extended Performance version changed my perspective. This made me a believer in long drain intervals. Mobil didn't just stretch mileage for marketing. They built this formula to actually earn it. Triple additive system keeps oxidation low. Film strength stays high past 15,000 miles. Highway cars going months between changes. Valve covers stayed completely clean. No varnish, no sludge, just aluminum. Blackstone Oil reports back this analysis up. Iron and aluminum wear stay impressively low, even after very long running intervals. The base stock is strong under heat. What really stands out is sheer stability. Many synthetics thin after 5,000 hard miles. This one stays thick where it counts. Burn-off resistance is huge for sipping engines. It's dependable, not flashy at all. Number 5. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic. Royal Purple grabs attention before opening the bottle. The color isn't the only special thing. I used this on a 5.7 Hemi. It had lifter noise that was annoying. 2 oil changes later, the tapping was gone. Not magic, just solid chemistry at work. Centerline additive technology sets it apart. It bonds directly to metal surfaces. Protection doesn't wash off when cold. Smoother startups and quieter valve trains result, especially on older engines with miles. Those cam lobes looked brand new. One of the highest film strengths ever. Independent tests showed reduced friction, better horsepower retention under load. You can feel the throttle respond better. Engine runs clean and free. It's pricier than usual suspects. But if you're serious about performance, if you've got a weekend car you love, it's worth every penny. Number 4. AMSOIL Signature Series. This brand has been around longer than realized. First synthetic approved by API. Back in the early 70s, everyone else thought synthetic was racing gimmick. AMSOIL Signature Series isn't hype at all. One of the toughest oils I've seen. Oil analysis from trucks at 20,000 miles. Comes back with low wear numbers. That's rare, not just good. High base stock purity is built in. Boosted additive package fights oxidation. Neutralizes acids and prevents sludge. Under heavy towing, the viscosity doesn't collapse. Engines towing heavy loads stay protected. It's one of the few oils that backs up 25,000-mile claims with actual lab data and testing. Choice for bulletproof protection seekers. Number 3. Liqui Moly Synth Oil Premium. This appreciates real German engineering. Not cheap and not flashy. Built with precision and care. I tried it on. A BMW inline 6. Had a slight tick from worn lifters. After a few thousand miles gone. Molybdenum disulfide is the secret. Friction modifier forming microscopic protective layer. Less metal-on-metal contact results. Lower wear and quieter operation. Valve covers look clean. Enough to eat off, holds viscosity beautifully under intense heat. 5W40 stays thick when others thin. Approved by toughest European standards, ACA 3B4 and VW502505 certifications, built for engines demanding more. European cars get real protection. German automakers trust this oil. Number 2. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. This one's a legend in diesel world. Truckers, bikers, off-road guys swear by it, for genuinely good reasons. Built to take abuse most can't handle. Engine spending lives towing or climbing. Still looked healthy after. Everything. Zinc and phosphorus additives loaded in. Incredible wear protection, especially for cams. High-pressure fuel systems get protected. Excellent detergent strength keeps things clean. Soot and carbon stay suspended. They don't stick to engine parts. Works wonders in gas engines too, especially older ones running hotter. Handles thermal stress like a champion. Bikes and turbo cars at 250 degrees. Holds viscosity and pressure like new. Heavy use rigs show low wear metals. Base numbers stay stable long term. Oil you choose when not. Babying. Tough, proven, and trusted completely. Number 1. Mobil 1 Annual Protection. Most oils are made to survive. This one is built to dominate. Top of the food chain entirely. Oil serious builders trust when failure isn't. Rated for 20,000 miles or 1 year. That's not marketing stunt at all. Independent lab tests show 50% better wear protection than standard synthetics, even past 15,000 miles. Teardown reports show clean cams, tight bearings and spotless valve trains, under boost or heavy towing. Ultra stable POW base stock is secret. Fortified anti-wear system with moly. Boron and advanced friction modifiers. Doesn't thin out under heat. Doesn't shear under load. Doesn't burn off like other long drains. Pressure stays strong constantly. Viscosity stays in grade perfectly. Engines stay protected completely. Only oil I trust for turbocharged. High-performance V8s demand this. Daily drivers racking miles fast. Closest thing to engine insurance. No gimmicks, no noise, just proven protection. Now the worst oils to avoid. 5 oils that could completely ruin engines. These are the ones destroying vehicles. 5 oils that damage performance. 5 oils that cost thousands in repairs. Number 5. No-name budget synthetic oils. Saving a few bucks sounds good initially. Standing in that oil aisle considering options. Those no-name budget synthetics circulating cost you an engine later definitely. Fancy labels with no information provided. No details on where made exactly. No standards they actually meet safely. First red flag everywhere. Skip key additives like detergents. Missing dispersants and anti-wear agents. Look clean when poured in. Turn dark and thin quickly. Sludge buildup becomes awful, like someone poured tar inside. No API or Dexo certification. Don't touch it ever. Spend extra bucks on trusted names. Save yourself rebuild expenses. Number 4. High mileage blends marketed as full synthetic. This hits close to home. Older car guys driving classics. High mileage beaters kept alive. You've seen bottles screaming claims. Full synthetic and high mileage bold. Here's the trick they use. Most aren't truly full synthetic. They're blends, part synthetic, part conventional. Fine print tells the truth. These oils foam up and shear. Leave sticky deposits on older engines. The high mileage label isn't bad. Companies slapping it on then watering. Cashing in on aging vehicles. Real, full synthetic protects seals. Cuts friction and works. Fake ones just pad profits. Stick with proven full synthetics. Lists APIS and ILSGF6. Number 3. Oils without API or Dexo certification. Simple rule, no certification, no deal. Every good motor oil must meet official standards always. Label doesn't list them, walk away. Look for APIP or APIN Plus from American Petroleum Institute. Pass strict tests for wear, deposits, and oxidation protection. Newer cars check ILSA, CGF6A or GF6B. Modern fuel economy and turbo needs. GM vehicles need Dexos 1 Gen 3, General Motors quality seal. European cars might need ACA 3 B4. Diesel engines require API CK4. Uncertified oils are gamble. Cheap but destroy engines. Always read the label. Tiny letters save thousands. Number 2. Outdated or repackaged. Clearance shelf oils. Dusty bottles on back shelves. Faded labels and clearance stickers. Look like deals. They're killers. Oil doesn't age well. Sitting for years damages everything. Additives settle down. Seals dry out completely. Engine pays the price afterward. Repackaged old stock happens. Brands changed formulas are dated. Mismatched labels are warning. Missing batch codes tell truth. Old API ratings like SN. Not modern API SPI. Even if says synthetic. Might not protect today. Heat, friction, turbo stress. Check manufacturer. Date. Batch code before buying. $5 savings costs $5,000 later. Number 1. Wrong viscosity oil. Silent killer of modern engines. Wrong viscosity destroys motors. Some pour 20W50. Cars needing 0W20. Thinking thicker means better. That's completely wrong. First number shows cold flow. 0W, 5W, 10W. Lower means easier startup. That's when most wear happens. Second number shows hot thickness. 20, 30, 40, 50. Modern engines built tight need thin oils like 0W20, 5W30. Reaches bearings. Older engines might need 10W40 or 20W50. Only if manual says, too thick starves top end, too thin hurts bearings. Match what's printed on cap. Owner's manual has answers. Never what buddy swears. Wrong viscosity turns synthetic into complete synthetic disaster. Catastrophic failure results. Engine damage becomes permanent. Some mechanics know this secret. Most won't say it publicly. Professional pride prevents admission. Reason engines fail despite having top-tier synthetic oils. The truth nobody wants hearing. Subscribe for more of this. Real knowledge about synthetic oils. Actual truth mechanics hide. Information that saves thousands. Knowledge that protects engines.